Hello, hello, my beautiful dolls, my beautiful sunshines. Welcome back to this your channel. Thank you so much for being here. On this occasion, as I had promised on the other video, I'll be showing you what else you could do with this special LaTiN evolution or LaTiN nails polish. Just to take advantage, if you are not yet subscribed to this your channel and to become a part of this sunshine and doll family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button like this one right here. And also, once you do that, activate the little bell like this one right here so you can get notifications of any of our content. And that way you could know of any of the content I upload. I hope you guys are going to like this week. I know I'm not uploading any designs, but I am uploading every day, so I hope you guys like. I will be adding designs if I can in between these videos. I just haven't felt one. I haven't made many appointments. On this occasion, I'll be using these polishes right here, which are the nude or neutral colors. And like I said, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment and share. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing some other videos you could see. That mason jar is what I used to keep this in before. I haven't done it in a while, but what I'm about to do, I used to save it in that jar and it would last a very, very long time. So to start with, I'm going to be using my monomer from LaTiN Evolution or LaTiN Nails. I'm going to add like half of the bottle, sorry. I'm going to fill it up to half of the little glass container. And then I'm going to shake this polish really, really good before I add it to this monomer, because that's what we're going to be doing. So to show you, this is one full drop when you don't wipe the brush on any of the sides of the polish. I'm making a mess here. That's a full drop, and then when you put it in and wipe one side, it's half a drop, and then when you just wipe it all around, it's 0% of the drop, which means you put the brush in the monomer. That depends on how much coverage you want with the polish in the monomer. So right now I'm just going to be adding 2.5 charges. What I do is I let one drop and then another drop. On the second one, I let it drop twice, so that is 2.5 charges. And then, my bad, I did 3.5 charges. I'm sorry, I am translating this video to English. I'm trying to keep as close as I could to the Spanish one. And then I go ahead and mix it. I mix it with the monomer really well. On this occasion, I'm going to be using clear acrylic, as well as the creamy white, which is white mixed with clear, just to give you guys two views. So let's say you don't have an almond color, but you have this type of polish. What this type of polish does, I love it because you don't get, when you try and mix polish and monomer, your acrylic gets kind of sticky and or runny. It does not happen with this polish. So let's say you want to do an almond color like this, a full nail like this. They want this color, but you don't have it in your almond colors. With this polish, you could go ahead and do this. You could get a few colors out of this. You could get the color you get with the polish if you want to use a polish. If it's a client that doesn't like to use polish because the color comes off too much, you could do it with the clear acrylic. If you want more creamy color, you could use the white transparency milky color. So we're going to start with the clear acrylic first on this nail. And it doesn't give the intensity of the color, but it gives a real pretty almond color. In case, you don't want it to be too as deep as it is. And the color we're using right now is called Romance. No, this one is Romantic. I'm sorry. This one is Romantic, and this is the one we're using on this nail right here. And then we're going to go ahead after this. I did another little coat because it came out too transparent. I am terrible at working out these swatch thingies, even with polish or anything. I bump onto the other side, so I'm terrible at working with this. So I'm going to go ahead and add another coat to give it more of the color, because I swept most of it off on the first one. As you can see, it ends up being a real pretty almond color. It's an almond color with a transparency. You could do it just as a reverse technique or on the full nail. It looks really pretty either way. I love the way it looks like this. I love the look you get. You could do it with other polishes as well, not just this one. They have a whole collection of the nude type colors. I'll have the links down below so you guys can go check them out. Or ask the lady. There's only one lady I think that sells them here in the United States, and I will link her down below. These polishes are awesome. They're also vegan. To my knowledge, I took some classes with this company. As far as I know, these polishes are all natural and vegan. They're done with like botanicals and nature pigments. And now I'm going to be doing it with the creamy one. It also gives a pretty color. It's not as intense as the other one, but it's a nice color. It gives more of like a light skin nude color, which is also really, really pretty. It gives a little coverage with this one. You might want to add more drops to the monomer if you are doing it with the creamy white. I didn't want to add too much because I wanted to see, this is the amount of drops they taught me to put in. So I wanted you to see it this way first. But you know, you measure the drops you want to put in. You measure how much you want the color to be depending on the drops you're adding to the monomer. And you can see it's a little more sturdy when you have white into the acrylic mix. So that's how that one ends up being. As you can see, it's more of a creamier color. It's really, really pretty. I like it a lot. But now I'm going to show you how it looks just in polish so you could see. This is against the Romance. The new formula that they gave me here that I'm using is called Romance. The one I have swatched before on the other video is called Romantic. So I don't know if they're same formula, different names, or if they're barely slightly different. As you can see, I'll probably show you at the end of the video. They look kind of similar. I'm not sure. So now what I'm gonna do, they usually did this, there's a metallic color in that, and they have metallic colors, really, really beautiful metallic colors. They usually do this with one of those in silver, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this holographic gold one to show you guys, since I don't have the metallic, and give you a gist of what you could do playing around with these polishes and monomer. So I mixed it in really, really well. I just added one drop, so one charge of it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the clear acrylic and apply it on this nail right here. You guys, it gives it a little elegant touch, maybe for a wedding, sweet 16, or elegant party you're going to. It gives a nude with a bit of sparkle, and it looks beautiful. And you know, if oh my god, I forgot the words. But if you want to give that little elegance, and I messed up the polish one, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm really, really dumb at doing the swatches on these circles through the top. I usually swatch through the bottom. I don't swatch through the top. But I want you guys to get the real look of it, because when you do the bottoms, the decorations kind of float to the other side and you don't really see them. So you could already see it here. You could see a little bit of shimmer. You could add this holographic polish. You could add an iridescent glitter one, as long as it's from this brand, because I feel like they're made to work this way with monomer rather than other polishes that are not. I'm going to do another video as well on how you could use the LaTiN Evolution polishes other than just normal polishing. And you could see, I don't know if you could see the sparkles. I really, really love the way this looks. When they taught us this, I was like, oh my god, this is gorgeous. I might have some videos from when I just took the class. I might have done something like this. I'll try and find it and link it. If not, I'm still gonna link other LaTiN Evolution videos, so you guys could see other stuff if you're interested from this company. Like I said, it's usually in Mexico. It's made in Mexico, and it works really, really well. I really, really love the product. I look at the sparkles. Look how pretty they look. So yeah, I'm gonna try the cream one out with the sparkles. Also looks really pretty. It doesn't show as much sparkle as the clear one, but it looks really, really pretty. I really, really recommend this one. I had recommended it before, but there was no distributors here, so it was hard to get a hold of them. the polish I'm using now is from the distributor. I have other polishes like the glitter one and stuff that I did on my prior video. I don't know if you remember, I bought a trolley with a lot of nail stuff in it, and it had a bunch of her polishes that needed some of the dissolve or upkeep that I used on them. And oh my god, I already fixed all my polishes and I am so happy with that. And you could see, like I said, barely any sparkle on this one, but it still looks really, really pretty. It still gives it a little happy touch to the color. If you have someone that's really serious, but you know, they want to have a little bit of oomph in their life, this is a really good idea. It gives a little shine in their life, because I get a lot of people who just want French or neutrals, but just to add a little fun to them, you could also offer this. But like I said, it's also really pretty for a wedding. I think it would look really pretty with iridescent glitter in there as well. You could also just dip the monomer with the clear acrylic. I mean with the clear acrylic, with the acrylic with the iridescent glitter mix in it. That would also look pretty. I should have tried it here, but I didn't think about it till now. So again, this is a polish. I was showing you the romance and the romantic. They're slightly the same. This is where I show you. This polish finger is romance. And then the other one is romantic. Look how pretty the little shimmers show. And the acrylics are really, really good, and it dries pretty fast. It doesn't slow down the drying speed on your nails. Now, as you can see, both of the nails are showing right there. Well, they were showing. And it looks like the similar color, but I would have to put them next to each other to see if they're the same color. And as you can see, I'm touching it, and they dry pretty fast. It doesn't slow down the drying process of the acrylic. So I really, really, really love this polish because of that. You could try other polishes, and they do slow down the drying process of the acrylic when you do it this way. So my beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying learning about this product. We could always learn from a lot of products. Like I said, I took 2 classes with this company, and I really, really love the ideas they gave me. I hope to bring you guys more ideas with this company, because I have a lot of their products and stuff that I learned with them. If you're interested in purchasing, like I said, down below I will put the link to the lady who sells them here in the United States. She's really sweet, really nice. She does do shipping in all the US if you're interested. I don't know if someone in Mexico. I'll also put the Instagram to the one in Mexico, because that's the only one I know. And yes, I hope you guys really like this video. I love you guys bunches. Thank you for all your support. Hugs, kisses. I can't talk today. Hug, kisses, and squeezes. I love you bunches. I'll recommend some videos for you at the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe if you are not again. Down below will be the links to the lady who sells this channel and other things. I love you bunches again. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. God bless you bunches. And I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.